Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to Shabari Academy. This is Ranjit Kumar. First of all, congratulations for you for successful finishing of our physical science exam. Today, you written very well. Part A is getting 9 questions are very easy. Then coming to the part B. Today in this video, we are going to solve the part B. Don't skip the video. Watch entire video to get the perfect solution. So without wasting time, let's we enter into the video. Part B. This is the question paper. First question to 10 question, we have 10 marks. So totally we have 4 options are there, entire paper. Now we discuss the first question. So the question is asking virtual image and erect image. Virtual image and erect image. If you observe this one, if you take a concave mirror, if you keep the object between P and F, so we can draw the image like this. Parallel to principal axis, passing through focus, passing through center of curvature, no deviation. Then they will be meet here virtually, then we get this one. So obviously virtual image is enlarged one here and erected one. So the option is given option is F and P. Now coming to the second question, he has given what he has given means. If you read the second question, the volume of H2 gas liberated, when 46 grams of sodium reacts with water. So if we given sodium given, so water, this is the final equation. Sodium plus water gives us sodium hydroxide and H2. If you observe here, he has given the relation between sodium and hydrogen. We can make a relation with that one. After balancing, you get the 2Na is react with 2H2O. We get 2NaOH and H2. That means that if you use the 2 moles of sodium, 1 mole of hydrogen will form. Actually, 1 mole of sodium weight is 23 grams. Then nothing but 23 into 2, 46 grams we will get. So simply we are getting the 46 grams means 1 mole. 1 mole means 2 grams of hydrogen will be there. So 2 grams is nothing but 22.4 liters. So simply the answer is 1 mole of any gas occupies 22 liters of volume. So the final answer is C. Now coming to the third question, he has given the direction of motion of positive charges in electrolyte. If you observe in any electrolyte cell, we have 2 nodes are there, cathode and anode. That means positive node, negative node. Positive node attracts the negative ions, negative node attracts the positive ion. Here he has given the positive charge. Positive charge is nothing but which is a protons. So this positive charge always attracted towards the negative node, nothing but cathode. It means that it moves in the same direction of charge of flow. Charge of flow is nothing but current flowing. If it is a negative charge, it moves the opposite direction. Negative, it should be opposite. Positive should be in the same direction. So that's why the option is A. Positive charges always moves in the direction of electric field. And coming to the fourth question, he has given multimeter. If the multimeter reading is 1, what it means he is asking. If you take the multimeter, by using this we can measure the voltage, current and ohm. That means resistance. If you want to find the resistance, we can keep in a ohm meter mode. That means ohm measurement mode. Then you have to keep the knob at 20 kilo ohms. Then if you measure the reading between the two ends of any bulb or any device, then it will have the chances of showing 3 meters, 0, 1 and actual reading of the resistance. Either it is 0.1 ohms or 2 ohms or 3 ohms like that, 0.5 ohms, 0.9 ohms like that will show. That means if it show 0, that means it is a 0 resistance. If it show 1, that means nothing but infinite resistance. It is nothing but overload. And if it, otherwise it will show the actual reading between 0 and 1. 0 resistance means the resistance is very less, the current flowing is very much high. If it is 1, it is nothing but infinite resistance, that means the current flowing is very low. In the modern multimeter, it will show the OL, that means overloaded, or OR, over reading. So the correct option is option B, it is overloaded for this question. Coming to the fifth question, he is asking the which will show the magnification of concave lens. He has given the 4 options. Before seeing these 4 options, once I have to confirm on key point. If the magnification is negative, it is a inverted image. If it is positive, it is a erected image. If that is equals to 1, same size of image. If that is less than 1, that is diminished image. Greater than 1, enlarged image. So these type of things we have to take into consideration. Then we can go through the option individually. Minus means inverted, and less than 1 means diminished. Plus means erected, and greater than 1 means it is a enlarged. And also similarly like that will be plus 0.75 minus 1.7 will be there. But if you observe the properties of concave lens, it is always produce the diminished, virtual and erect image. So that's why in the given option, the suitable option is C, that is plus 75, plus 0.75. That means that plus indicates the erected image and 75 is a less than 1. 0.75 is nothing but less than 1. So simply it is a 3 by 4 value. So it is a diminished image. So correct option is 0.75, the option C. Then coming to the question number 6. Here is asking the relation between the radius of curvature and focal length relation. Generally we know that for spherical mirrors r is equal to f is always correct. But coming to the refraction, it is not correct, because in the refraction, in the sense that we have three formulas: lens formula, lens maker's formula, curved surface formula. What I written is here is lens maker's formula, which will deals with the relation between f and r1 r2. But if you observe here, 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here it purely depends on these two properties, these two parameters f and r depends on n value. N is nothing but refractive index of the light. So always it depends on refractive index and medium. But coming to reflection, reflection is not depends on the medium, it depends on the reflection loss. Angle is equal to angular. So that's why for this case the relation between r and f is r is equal to f. Many people choose r is equal to f, but this is the true for only mirror. But he is asking the lenses. The correct option is D. There is no fixed relation between r and f for lenses. It depends on the medium, it depends on the refractive index. Now coming to the IPAC nomenclature from the carbon compounds, they are given 3 carbons and 1 substitute. If you give the number 1, 2, 3, the middle one gives the 2, the CH3 will become a substitute. If the CH3 is substitute, it is an alkyl group, it is a single carbon, meth plus yl, methyl, alkyl, meth plus alkyl, methyl. You get the methyl as a substitute. The simple name is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means prop. All are single bond means AN. All are hydrocarbon means E. So this is 2. So the option is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane, the option B is correct. Then coming to the 8th one, he is asking which will induce the current. Simply if you take the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, whenever a current coil, conducting coil is there, it is introduced into a magnetic field, the flux will be changed. Automatically the flux linking the coil is changes and EMF is induced in the coil. Simply induced EMF will generate the current. Generally in a generator, AC generator or DC generator, if you observe coil is there, it is entered into the uniform magnetic field. The flux link in the coil is changed and obviously the EMF is induced. Then EMF leads to the current. The final answer is induced current. This is based on the electromagnetic induction of Faraday's law. Now coming to the acid base, 9th question, he is asking which is strong acid and strong base pH values. If you observe this one, this is the pH scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and make into return 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Here 0, 1, 2 are the strong acids, 3 is the neither strong nor weak acid, 4, 5, 6 is the weak acid, 7 is the neutral one, that is a salt. In case of NaCl we can take this one. Generally pH it's not a acid, not a base. 8, 9, 10 also weak and 11 is a neither strong nor weak, 12, 13, 14 is a strong. In order to easily remember we can go for this chart. But in the question is asking both are strong. So strong acid is 0, strong base is 14. So the answer is 0, 14. Now coming to the final question of 10th question, he is asking F2 molecule structure, fluorine structure. So simply for this one we can go for the atomic number and electron distribution. Atomic number is 9. So the divided is 2, 7. In this one 2 is going for helium configuration. Then the remaining 7 in the orbit, in the sense we are getting the valence electrons are 7. According to Bohr's model, first orbit to second orbit 8 will be there. It belongs to second period and 7th group. It has 7 valence electrons are there. It needs one more electron to get the stability of neon. So that's why it will make a bond with the other atom which will give one electron. So that's here he is asking the F2 molecule. So we can take the 2 fluorine atoms only. So this dot indicates the Lewis dot structure of fluorine atom 7. This is also 7. Each one will be shared. It is a covalent bond F hyphen F, that means F single bond F. So therefore the option is A. I hope you understood all the explanation. Now the final answers are, see there, where the virtual erect image can be formed between F and P. And this interpretation problem, 46 grams, we are getting the 22.4 liters because it is a 1 mole. And direction of motion of positive charges towards the electric field, that is in the direction of electric field. One indicates it's a over range resistance. And here concave lens is asking, we can get the positive value that should be less than 1. So that is plus 75 in the given values. So coming to this one, if it is a mirror, then the R is equal to F is the correct A option. But it is given the lens, so there is no fixed relation between R and F. Coming to this IUPAC nomenclature, this is the 2-methyl propane straight away. Induced current is given by the induced EMF according to Faraday's law. Now coming to this strong acid and strong base. So already we discussed the chart. So 0 is a strong acid, 14 is a strong base. Now coming to the representation of this one, out of this 4, 1, 7, 7, 7. So it has 7 elements, 7 electrons in the valence shell. They will make a covalent bond, they will be shared. So this is F2. So sorry, here the printing is B. So the first option is A. So this is about our video. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, subscribe our channel for more videos and share to who will require this one. Thank you very much. Have a happy day.